Hello candidates, today I will guide you through taking the Level 3 CFA exam using the IFT's resources. You have reached the final leg of your CFA journey, which is challenging but crucial for your career in finance. So watch this video and make full use of the IFT resources to stay at the top of your game. You need to be exam ready without wasting time or money to move confidently toward the next challenge in your life. The CFA program curriculum, including the Level 3 exam, evolves regularly to reflect the current trends and best practices in the investment industry. To keep pace with the changes in the investment driven by both investors and investing company, the CFA exam structure has been updated to cover areas such as financial modeling, artificial intelligence, data science, Python programming. In Level 3, you are offered specialized pathway to better align with specific career goals which now Level 3 offers. For Level 3, you must complete one practical skills module to receive your exam results. For 2026, the Institute has introduced specific PSMs which directly align with your chosen tracks. They are practical macro for portfolio management, then you have due diligence for private markets, and you have managing private wealth for the private wealth pathway. Other options, if you haven't done them at level 1 and 2, you can choose Python, data science, AI financial modeling, or analyst skills for your practical skills module. The exam requires you to familiarize yourself with and learn these new trends by choosing your desired pathway and working towards a career in that space. The CFA exam has got a dynamic structure. It blends a diverse question type, which means that you have both item sets and essay sets to thoroughly assess your knowledge. So you have to familiarize yourself with this format before you start your exam prep. To kick things off, I'll break down the exam format and question types. From there on, I'll align on your target score to build a tailored strategy that will help you master the material. The exam structure is such that you have 2 sessions, each lasting 2 hours and 12 minutes, combining item sets, which are vignettes followed by multiple choice questions and constructed response questions. Each session will have 6 item sets and 5 essay sets, or 5 item sets and 6 essay sets. So overall there'll be 11 item sets and 11 essay sets, each worth 12 points. You are required to choose one of the specialized pathways from the 3 which are offered, which is portfolio management, that is the traditional path, then private wealth or private markets. Your chosen pathway will constitute 30 to 35% of the exam weight, so this allows for deeper specialization in the area of your interest. The remaining 65 to 70% of the exam focuses on core topics, which are essential for you as you transition into an investment professional. These include asset allocation, portfolio constructions, ethics, derivatives, and performance measurement. The constructed response questions require an active recall, and this is very challenging because success hinges not on just knowing the material but also on articulating your answer with precision. You are required to actually address specific keywords, and these words are called command words. So you must tailor your response according to the command words that you see in the question. The beginning of the question, you will be given words such as identify, justify, or calculate. Failing to address the specific command is a common way to lose credit points. Time management is crucial. This section is called the primary time sink of the exam. So precision allows you to answer quickly using bullet points or short sentences. The exam is application heavy because it just doesn't ask for definition. It requires you to apply the curriculum concepts very carefully and particularly to a client scenario. For example, given the case, you'll be asked to formulate an investment policy statement or calculate a hedging problem for a customer. Constructed response questions account for half of your exam score and demand concise, structured answer. How do you get there? You practice, 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 consistent timed practice. So regularly write clear direct responses to manage time and learn to maximize points without giving incomplete answer. The essay portion is where many good candidates can stumble. So don't underestimate the power of structured practice and understanding the nuances of question prompts. Here is a plan for you, which I say is a blueprint for success. Why? Because the first time pass demands a structured and a very high level discipline from you. Because of the extensive material, you should budget at least 300 hours of study time. Your score should be 75% or above. So here is the plan for 300 hours to your mission. Study. If you decide to use IFT notes and videos, then they are available for you to understand the concepts and the curriculum. Blue box example. You should practice with the IFT Q Bank and the end of reading questions that the CFA actually provides after every reading. Review and polish your performance with the IFT high yield course and obviously the mock exams. Then finally take the CFA mock exam. Average study hours, candidates typically report about 344 hours. This is a significant time investment, highlights the depth and complexity of the material you need to master. So how do you get there? You need to start early. You have to start approximately a year before the exam. This allows for a manageable time because it's around 7 hours per week. This will prevent burnout and ensure thorough coverage. So commit to this process and get ready to welcome a professional transformation. What I recommend here is to design a plan that alternates between challenging and lighter topics. This approach will help you maintain motivation, it will prevent fatigue, ensure continuous engagement with the material, and you should always incorporate regular review sessions. While you are free to tailor the study sequence to your personal style and schedule, I recommend the following. So start with the core topics. In this way, what will happen is you will build your core skills. So start with ethics, asset allocation, portfolio construction, derivatives, and then move finally to your specialized pathway, ensuring that you're fully prepared for it. These are the exam topic weights on the right, and you need to review them carefully because they will serve as a roadmap for how you should distribute your 300 plus hours. So for asset allocation and portfolio construction, each 15 to 20% is the exam weight. Performance measurement is a bit less at 5 to 10%. Derivatives and ethics have the same 10 to 15% each. And the portfolio management pathway or private markets or private wealth is made up of 30 to 35% of the exam. Preparation shouldn't be overwhelming. IFT provides a structured part to help you master the material with confidence. Start with the curriculum-aligned videos and use our study notes to fill any gaps. You can sharpen your skills with our QBank with extensive practice questions for every topic. As the exam approaches, review with our high-yield course and professional mocks to ensure you're fully prepared. Here is a whole suite of our tools. We have videos and active learning for volumes 1 to 5 for the core curriculum. Then we have videos and active learning for each specialized pathway. Active learning means that we have active learning quizzes which you should be able to do once you are gone through the video. Then you have a rapid recap of essential material with study notes. Targeted questions are available in our QBank. We have item sets, essay sets, and practice sets which are independent questions to solidify your concepts. You can review with our signature high yield course and high yield notes and self-evaluate yourself with 4 full-length mocks which we offer with full answers for all the questions. We also offer a question and answer service with the IFT instructor, and this goes beyond answering your questions. It provides mentorship throughout your journey. IFT also offers a highly engaging live interactive course designed to keep you motivated and on track from day one. Over 5 to 6 months, you'll dive into 2 dynamic Zoom classes every week packed with clear concept breakdown and tons of exam style practice questions. You'll get real-time access to your IFT instructor for live Q&A, a continuous support through a dedicated WhatsApp group, and the momentum of weekly classes that keep you accountable. With all the sessions recorded and available on the IFT portal, you can revisit key topics anytime. Your space, your schedule. We also offer crash courses which are available in the final month right before the exam for final revision and exam practice. For full details, please visit our website. I hope this guidance provides a clear roadmap for your preparation. Our goal is to keep you focused and on track so you confidently write your Level 3 exam. Should you have any questions, the IFT support team is here to help. Feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.